What's the meaning of call girl? Call girl. Call girl.
Call girl. Call girl. A call girl is a euphemism used to refer to a woman who offers sexual services in exchange for payment. The term typically implies that the woman can be contacted by phone to arrange a meeting for the purposes of sexual services. However, it is important to note that this type of work is often illegal and can be dangerous, as individuals engaging in this type of activity may be vulnerable to violence, exploitation, and abuse. It is important to avoid the objectification of women and to recognize their inherent dignity and worth as human beings.